Hi students, I am NS Reddy, your civils coach. The preliminary examination is approaching. It is just a few days away. I hope all of you have prepared very thoroughly for this examination. I would like to give some tips to be followed while you are sitting in the examination hall and writing the answers in your preliminary examination. So first of all, you have to be very cool and maintain your poise and confidence before the examination. If you are tense, there are chances that you cannot perform well in the examination. So you have to be very cool and confident before the examination and during the examination. However, you have to be alert also. So in the examination, you get different sets of question papers like set A, B, C, D, etc., where the sections are jumbled. So once you take the question paper, you have to see which set of question paper you have got, and you have to decide which section you have to start with. Suppose you are very thorough and find it easy to answer the history questions, so start with the history section. If you are familiar with the geography, or you find geography is more easy for you, so start with the geography section. So usually there are three types of questions which are given in the examination. First type are simple single answer questions, the answers of which either you know or you don't know. If you know, you answer them. If you don't know, don't take any risk and guess the answers. The second type of questions are with the multiple options, where you have to use your elimination technique and answer the questions. You have to concentrate a little more on these questions. The third type questions are with multiple statements. So here multiple statements are given, so you have to spend a little more time and you have to concentrate more on reading the questions very carefully, reading the statements word by word, and understand what exactly is given. So after this, you have to thoroughly read the question paper fully. So you have to answer the questions in 3 rounds. In the first round, you answer the questions which you are very sure. In the second round, you answer the questions you are not very sure. In the third round, you answer the questions which you feel are most difficult. While you answer the questions in the first attempt, say you are finding around 40 to 50 questions which are very sure, you are very sure of answering correctly, you answer them, and the rest of the questions you mark them as not so sure and the most difficult. So you are categorizing the questions into 3. So first reading, you are answering 40 to 50 questions accurately. In the second round, you are answering say around 20 to 30 questions, half of which are correct and half of which are wrong, suppose. In the third round, you have to concentrate more. You try to recollect the answers and answer very few questions. Don't try to answer all the questions in this category. If you answer all the questions, then there are chances that you mark them wrongly, and there will be more negative marking, and you may lose your preliminary examination. So try to answer very few questions in the third round of answering. Say if you answer the questions in the 3 rounds as I just explained, there are fair chances that you will be scoring higher than the cutoff, and chances of your clearing the preliminary examinations are very high. I hope you understood the technique. I am not saying this is the only technique. If you have your own method of answering, you can adopt that one. But what I was trying to tell you is the technique which is adopted by most of the successful candidates. I wish you all the best and wish all success in your preliminary examination. All the best. Thank you.